Now that you've learned to do my REV-COM technique for reversible continuous overlay mosaic crochet, I'd like to share another technique that another designer named Lisa Richardson came up with. Her method of doing reversible overlay mosaic is using what she calls a lock stitch instead of what I'm using, my anchor double crochet wrong side. So let's get started. Here I have 3 swatches. They all look the same on the front. This one's a little bit shorter, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But do you know which ones are reversible and which are not? Well, you can't tell on the front, but if we turn them over, we can see this one is not reversible, and these two are. Now, with these two reversible ones, the difference is this is my REV-COM technique with the anchor double crochet on the wrong side. This is Lisa's technique with a lock stitch, and I'm going to teach you how to make that lock stitch. This is the stitch that Lisa has just come out with, and she has used this extensively in her new pattern, which I'm going to give you a link to in the video description below. So let me show you how to do her lock stitch. Here I've got a little swatch in regular overlay mosaic crochet, not my continuous method, so I've got all the ends. And I'm going to demonstrate Lisa's lock stitch right now for you. She also works her lock stitch into the double crochet in the row below because she has skipped this back loop here and it's just hanging there. And that's where I was working my anchored double crochet on the wrong side, and Lisa works a lock stitch. So she inserts her hook in the back loop of that double crochet and into the back loop of that stitch, which is free there, yarn over and pull up a nice long loop and yarn over and pull through 2. So this is a single crochet stitch, but it's also going all the way down to that row below. So let me do another one for you. I'll go across to where I would work another lock stitch. I've got a front loop double, and now I'm at this double crochet ready to do another lock stitch. So insert the hook in that back loop of the double crochet and into the free loop, which is the back loop of that stitch below, yarn over and pull through a loop through both of those loops, and yarn over and pull through both loops. And you need to make this stitch a little bit taller, so don't make it too short. That's Lisa's lock stitch, and that's how she makes her projects reversible. I hope you've enjoyed this short video learning the lock stitch to make your overlay mosaic crochet projects reversible. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet videos. Thanks so much for watching, and happy reversible overlay mosaic crocheting to all of you.